Woo! At Bonz. The bone is going in the bucket. And the flavor is from the grill. Featuring the grill master on the grills of steel. Because at Bonz, we do care. Okay, we got the ribs on this end here. Okay, at Bonz, you know we care. Then I'm gonna mosey right on over here to that tri-tip family. That tri-tip is gonna be caramelizing real soon. Gonna be caramelizing real soon, family. Like it should. We're gonna slow smoke this tri-tip to perfection. Then we're gonna put it on a meat slicer. Then we're gonna slice it. Because we got that function coming up. Because this is what made the world go round. The other day, the kerosene. Bonz be like, changing things, both things around. The tri-tip is right here in your face. Oh, Bonz in the bucket, we make the world go round and round. Bonz in the bucket make the world go round. Ooh.